Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a plate of drumstick 3D models for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And by the end of this tutorial, you should be able to create your own prop, something like this. So start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step. And this iClone 8 project, I'm going to just refresh it. Everything start from beginning. What you need is a software called Blender. Blender is a free software. You can make the 3D models at here. I'm going to show you the simple steps to make the drumstick here. So first, just need to click the empty area, press A and delete everything. Then next, just need to add a circle. We are going to create a plate. And you always remember, in Blender, each of the grid is 1 meter. So go to the edit mode and just press S to just make it big or small, but you can always make it later. So right click, just create a new edge and face from the vertices at here. Click the first face, press E to extrude. This is to just like simulate to make a plate or something. Really simple. Next, back to the object mode at here. We are going to just add a meta ball. This is to create the drumstick. Just use the ball and just press S to just make it small. Then just drag it up in this way. Then press Shift D to duplicate it and press Y. Then press S to just make it small. Then Shift D again. Y. Just press S to just make it small. The center ones, you can just make it this way. Now it already becomes a shape of a drumstick. Then for this 3 metal ball, just select all of them. Just right click, convert to a mesh. Then rotate it. Click here. Just make sure you rotate in a correct orientation and move it as well to the surface. Rotate. Right now, move it to the center and just press S. Alright, now it already have the shape of a drumstick. Just turn on the texture. This is the material texture. Turn this on. Now, next we are going to change the color. Just go to here, the material, add a new material. Then here, you can change the color to just make sure its color look like a drumstick color. A fried chicken maybe. Next, the plate, I can just keep it same as the white color. Then I press A, then Control A, or transform. Then just right click, set the origin to the center of the mass of the volume. Done. Now the next step is just export the FBX. So I click File, Export FBX. But before that, you better save the Blender project file. Click File, Save As, and as demo, I will save it on my desktop. Name this as Drumstick 02. Then click File, Export FBX. The path mode, choose Copy. Then turn this on. This is to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX exported. Then click Export FBX. Now, the FBX is set here. And next, we can just drag and drop into the iClone 8. Now, drag and drop the FBX file. It contains 2 meshes. Would you like to break the meshes into subcrop? You can select yes, because later you still can adjust the location. So now, in the iClone, the grid is just 1 meter times 1 meter. So you can just press R to just make it small up to the scale. Done. Once already up to the scale, you can just reset the scale. Choose yes. Now you can save it as a prop. Just go to here, props, go to the custom, under here, props, click save, the file name as drumstick02, save. So next time you can repeatedly to use this prop, just drag and drop, and you can send this file to your friends as well. So this file, you can just right click, find the file. It is at the default location, the drumstick. For every time you right click, find the file. This is exactly the iProp that you can use every time. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a drumstick, a plate of drumstick for your iClone 8 3D animation software just by using the Blender to create a really simple 3D modeling process to get a drumstick. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!